Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fitness Adventure. Today I will explain about the second part of headstand. I hope everyone already practiced the first one. So in second part, when you will be able to balance here from this position, slowly try to raise your both the legs. Try to keep your legs together and maintain the position. Second part will be more easier when you will be go through the first part. Easily you can learn this second step. This is the complete posture of headstand or sirsasana. And after that, slowly bend your knees and bring it a little forward. Very slowly, with your core muscles control, try to come on your toes and relax yourself for few minutes. Just be in this position so that your blood circulation can get normal. Then slowly come in Vajrasana. Relax yourself. You can move your head both the side, front and back, and then get relaxed. Thank you everyone.